Got some chrome grill inserts for my grill on the 2017 Chevy Silverado. I got tired of, the black. I want to chrome everything out and or color match it. So I went ahead and got some chrome grill inserts to go right here. I'll set you guys up somewhere so you guys can see me put them in, and I'll leave a link to these grill inserts in the description. So here's the box. Let's see what we got here. I'm pretty sure these just clip on to the, yeah they do. They just clip on to the stock grill that you have right here. Let's see here. There it goes. Alright, yeah, it's in there now. That's it right there. That's how it looks. I think it looks a lot better this way than it does black. I may change the white and chrome bow tie to black and chrome. Truck really just needs to be washed right now, but that's what it looks like. I like it.